Hey there, AI enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. 2023 is the year of the AI revolution, and so many aspects of our daily lives are linked with AI in ways we never even remotely imagined, even 5 years ago, right? AI, which was once a mere concept in science fiction, has, in recent years, rapidly transformed into a force that is reshaping the very fabric of our existence as you watch this video. Imagine a world where AI algorithms can predict and prevent diseases before they happen. A world where self-driving cars transport us flawlessly, reducing accidents and traffic congestion. Maybe like the Jetsons, but even cooler. Picture a universe where virtual reality has become indistinguishable from reality itself, thanks to AI-powered advancements in everything you can think of. I'd love to know what you have in mind. Hold on. Pause this video right here and let me know what you envision the world will be like in 2030. Today, we're going to take a look at some of the credible predictions that have been made about how powerful AI will be in 2030. Before we fast forward to 7 years in the future, let's get a sense of where we are right now with AI. As we speak, artificial intelligence is already dominating and shaping our daily lives in numerous ways in so many industries, from personalized recommendations on streaming platforms and social media like Facebook and Instagram, which can even read your thoughts, to voice assistants like Alexa and Siri. AI is becoming increasingly integrated into our routines. A branch of AI called computer vision enables computers to analyze digital images and classify objects, individuals, and actions. And recent advancements in this domain have empowered robots to achieve human-level performance in tasks like object detection and emotion recognition. And of course, we were presented the humanoid AI-operated robots EVE and NEO this year. And there are several AI-based service robot-based working around the world in farms, hospitals, warehouses, and restaurants. AI also plays a critical role in personalized medicine by assisting experts in designing patients' treatment plans based on their health history and genetic makeup. It has significantly transformed various aspects of education, bringing about notable changes such as personalized learning, intelligent tutoring systems, automated grading and feedback, language learning and translation, accessibility and inclusion, administration and content creation and curation. ChatGPT has already become the content king of the decade and has put writers and journalists out of jobs. It can even write code, as can Bard AI. We now have AI-enhanced drones, virtual assistants, and self-driving vehicles, thanks to reinforced learning and other autonomous systems, as well as AI-assisted creativity like AI art generators and Adobe Firefly that create art with prompts. Even businesses are using AI increasingly in research, marketing, and advertising. OpenAI is one of the main players in the AI arena with its slew of GPT iterations. And while we are currently living alongside the once unprecedented capabilities of GPT-4, the tech world is excitedly awaiting GPT-5, which is expected to supercharge AI and technology and propel us into some form of a utopian future very soon, which you can check out our other video on. The link is in the description. Earlier this year, there were official calls for regulators to put the lid on the development of AI based on fears that it could lead to something too powerful and dangerous to control, as well as the potential and ongoing waves of job losses, thanks to AI making the human workforce more and more obsolete by the day, if not just wiping out the entire human race. Regardless, the development of newer and successive AI models continues, with OpenAI working on GPT-4 and GPT-5 and Meta releasing Llama 2. Check out these wildly different predictions by 8 AI experts from the US and UK about how futuristic and more powerful AI tech will change life, generate films in a day. AI is already being used in filmmaking for backgrounds and scene enhancements. And this year, Hollywood actors and the Writers Guild of America even went on strike against it. According to media reports, Hollywood was replacing human actors with AI a long time ago. Remember the horrible rendition of Baby Renesmee in Twilight? In fact, the AI company Metaphysics is already immortalizing actors through data capture, allowing them to appear in future films without ever being on set. But AI could become so advanced that it would be used alone to generate entire films within a day, as predicted by Hugh Howey, the New York-based writer of Apple TV sci-fi series Silo. His words echo what Joe Russo, the director of Avengers Endgame, said in April that AI would be able to make movies in just 2 years' time, and that AI could be used, quote-unquote, to engineer storytelling and change storytelling. Teach lessons. Who needs teachers in classrooms and schools when you have AI? Dr. Ajaz Ali, the head of business and computing at Ravensbourne University in London, predicted that, quote, in the next 10 years, we may see AI-enabled virtual classrooms that can create a more immersive and interactive learning experience, end quote. And that children could soon have their own AI-powered virtual personalized tutors who will provide personalized feedback and support to students. Boost the world economy's value by nearly a fifth. I could boost the value of the world economy by $15.7 trillion by 2030, or more than the value of India and China's economies combined, and up by a fifth compared to current levels, according to analysts working at Big Four accountancy firm PwC in London. In its study published in January, it claimed our research also shows that 45% of total economic gains by 2030 will come from product enhancements, stimulating consumer demand. This is because AI will drive greater product variety with increased personalization, attractiveness, and affordability over time. Solve the energy crisis. Sam Altman, the founder of OpenAI, which developed ChatShept and is based in San Francisco, California, has said that by 2030 AI will have solved the crisis. He said in a series of tweets in 2021 that the future can be so good that it's hard for any of us to imagine. My basic take on this is that we will have unlimited intelligence and energy, and all that will unlock. I think we will have these before this decade is out. Altman also suggested that AI would do this by helping to develop nuclear fusion, a way of unlocking energy from atoms for use that does not produce long-lived nuclear waste, as a meltdown at these facilities is also practically impossible. In case you missed it, late last year, scientists at Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory in California made a breakthrough in developing this system by triggering a nuclear fusion reaction that led to a net energy gain, which makes Altman's claim more believable. Achieve human-like intelligence. Movies about robots with human-like intelligence may just be an everyday thing by 2030. Former Google engineer Ray Kurzweil, a renowned futurist who claims to have an 86% success rate on predictions, mentioned at a conference in Austin, Texas, in 2017 that, quote, 2029 is the consistent date I have predicted for when an AI will pass a valid Turing test and therefore achieve human levels of intelligence, end quote. Predict medical problems. AI expert Simon Bain, who is also the founder and CEO of the software company OmniIndex in California, believes that by 2030, AI could augment healthcare by predicting problems before they happen, quote, via specialists using specials. Why rip apart the Mona Lisa to create an unlimited number of similar yet unique portraits? Looking after the elderly. Of course, this level of AI sophistication will include aging concerns, as well as taking care of the elderly, which is a step up from what service robots are already doing in the same area in healthcare. Heather Delaney, the founder of London-based PR firm targeting tech ventures Gallium Ventures, made the prediction while pointing to the emergence of carebots such as Aleek. The robot, which looks like a desktop lamp, can help battle loneliness in older age and keep people up to date on their calendars by learning a person's interests and desires and daily routines. She predicted that, quote, elderly homes will rely more on technology to monitor and assess the health and well-being of their community, while those living in their own private homes will depend more on technology to maintain their home and keep them on track with health, end quote. And of course, over time, the technology is expected to develop beyond the $250 robot Alik, which is actually currently available. Wipe out the human race. American computer scientist Eliezer Yudkowsky, who is also a renowned researcher at the Machine Intelligence Research Institute in Berkeley, California, is one of the most vocal experts to warn about AI and has bet $100 that the human race will be wiped out entirely by January 1, 2030. Yudkowsky believes that AI could obliterate humanity if its intelligence surpasses humans and then develop different values and goals than humans. Writing in Time earlier this year, he said, quote, if somebody builds a too powerful AI under present conditions, I expect that every single member of the human species and all biological life on Earth dies shortly thereafter, the likely result of humanity facing down an opposed superhuman. Intelligence is a total loss, end quote. Other leading experts saying that AI could destroy civilization include billionaire Elon Musk and the late British scientist Stephen Hawking, although they stop short of suggesting all humans will be wiped out by 2030. Musk has been sounding the alarm over AI for years, warning in April that it could destroy civilization, but suggesting that AI, like his invention Truthbot, will not totally wipe out humans because we are an interesting part of the universe. And he also claimed that AI would be more intelligent than humans by 2030. So, to answer the question of how powerful AI will be in 2030, the answer is exceptionally powerful. But, of course, with great power comes great responsibility. There are also concerns about AI developments leading to job displacement and ethical dilemmas. Will AI become so powerful that it surpasses human intelligence, potentially turning against us? Like Musk and Yudkowsky said, while these concerns are valid, it's crucial to remember that AI developers have the power to shape AI's trajectory with careful regulation, ethical guidelines, and creative collaborations between humans and machines to harness the immense potential of AI for the greater good. I hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the future of AI. If you did, do check out our other videos for more exciting content. Also, let me know in the comments what other futuristic topics you'd like me to explore next. Until next time, stay curious and keep dreaming big.